I would now like to call on stage Mr. Dilip Gaur, Managing Director, Grasim Industries Limited, to share his thoughts on our very, very exciting new offering. Mr. Dilip Gaur, ladies and gentlemen.
Liva has seen tremendous growth in the wardrobe of discerning and fashionable consumers. A deep understanding of the innovative solutions that consumers are seeking and the experience they desire is the cornerstone of our strategy for Livaeco, the brand we are going to unveil today.
Livaeco is a fabric that is as glamorous as it is socially conscious. It is luxurious and beautiful. It drapes so beautifully. It feels wonderful. It looks wonderful. And so you can be as glamorous as you want to and still be responsible. 3 of the country's leading designers have created special collections using Livaeco that you're about to see in a very innovative and beautiful show choreographed by award-winning choreographer Achala Sachdev. We have such a beautiful night in store for you, and I'd like to begin by just introducing our first designer, Anju Modi.
Livaeco comes very handy for this kind of a new fabric introduction to me, and that inspired me to create this collection.
If we have a huge infrastructure as Aditya Birla Group, available to us, and I think the possibilities increases. And for us, it's a springboard to do what we want to do. And as a fabric, it's a great. It has a great flow. It has a great luster, and it works well for us.
Well, from what we've seen with this collection, we've loved working with it because it's ticked all our boxes in terms of quality. So we're excited to say that it's a great fabric and can't wait to work on a Preth line.
Of course, we always save the best for last. So now, ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming on stage our beautiful and extremely talented Liva brand ambassador, Kangana Kanaut. I'd like to call on stage Mr. Dilip Gaur, Managing Director, Grasim Industries Limited, and Mr. Rajiv Gopal, Global Chief Sales and Marketing Officer and Group Executive President of Birla Cellulose, Aditya Birla Group.